According to World Book Online, it takes 21 days for a chicken egg to hatch.
Did you know, according to World Book Online, an axolotl can re-grow limbs? It's called regeneration.
According to World Book Online, baby red panda cubs weigh up to 3 ounces to 4 ounces.
According to World Book Online, bearded dragons eat both plants and other insects.
According to World Book Online, white tigers are actually a type in a family called albinos. Yeah.
According to World Online, domestic turkeys cannot fly, but wild turkeys can fly.
According to World Book Online, wolves can smell a deer more than a mile away.
According to World Book Online, giant panda cubs stay with their mothers for more than 2 years.
According to World Book Online, babies koala ride on the mother's backs for 6 months.
According to World Book Online, cows chew their food 2 separate times to digest it.
According to World Book Online, orangutans can weigh up to at least 180 pounds.
According to Book World Online, there are 10 groups of rabbits.